Welcome to AI in Minutes from the Humber and University of Guelph-Humber Library. GenAI 101. By the end of this video, you'll be able to describe the capabilities and limitations of generative AI, recognize common GenAI tools and their use cases, and identify strategies for responsible GenAI use. You've likely heard of generative AI or GenAI before. GenAI is what we tend to hear and think of when we talk about AI today, especially with the introduction of OpenAI's ChatGPT for public use in late 2022. GenAI refers to a specific subset of AI that uses algorithms to interpret user inputs and create new outputs based on data it has been trained on. Let's break this down. When we refer to GenAI's training data, we're referring to large amounts of information gathered from the web, including books and social media. This information is broken down and analyzed using advanced machine learning algorithms, which work to detect patterns and draw connections between different elements, including how words are commonly used together or how certain visual features appear in images. Through this process, a model is trained, becoming what we call a large language model, or LLM. A prompt is what you type into a GenAI tool. It's the input that you give. When you enter a prompt into a GenAI tool, it is processed and interpreted by the LLM, which uses what it has learned from its training data so that it can generate an output. An output is what the GenAI tool gives back to you. Most outputs are text-based. However, newer multimodal LLMs, or MLLMs, can now generate outputs such as images, video, audio, or code. There are dozens, perhaps hundreds of different GenAI tools now available, the most commonly known ones being OpenAI's ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, or Google Gemini. These tools can perform text-based tasks such as idea generation, writing or summarizing, translation, or explaining concepts. Many of them also include multimodal capabilities which allow them to generate code, images, video, or audio. Humber and University of Guelph-Humber students, staff, and faculty have access to Copilot Chat through their Microsoft account. As GenAI continues to develop, many apps have started integrating LLMs and MLLMs directly into their platforms to make them faster, user-friendly, and personalized. You may have noticed AI summaries when using Google Search or image generation functionality in apps like WhatsApp or Canva. The immense capabilities of GenAI continue to shape day-to-day life and have impacted various industries and sectors, including education. Despite its potential, GenAI also brings a number of challenges, risks, and limitations that have emerged more quickly than policies and regulations can address them. Challenges include algorithmic bias, misinformation, breaches of privacy and copyright, and impacts on the environment. We will explore these challenges further in another video. It's important to engage with GenAI tools thoughtfully, reflectively, and critically. Some ways you can do this is by checking with your instructor if AI is permitted for coursework, reviewing your work or school's GenAI policy for guidance, fact-checking any information provided by a GenAI tool by looking at other sources, verifying any references cited by a GenAI tool, and properly citing GenAI if using any of its outputs in your own work. That's it for this installment of AI in Minutes. For more information on AI, visit the library's Generative AI Resource Guide, watch our other AI in Minutes videos, complete the AI Algorithms in You module, or schedule a research appointment with a library team member.